Bakit ang daming tao ngayon nahihirapan magpatawad? Bakit nahihirapan magpatawad? Well, psychologically speaking, people would say, because of pride. Masyadong ma-pride eh. Hindi na it is correct, psychologically speaking. In one aspect, which is psychology, correct. I respect that. In my own interpretation, in my own language, sasabihin ko, maraming tao ngayon nahihirapan magpatawad. They find it very hard to forgive because ang laman ng utak at puso nila is just the law. Question, bakit law? Because the substance and the content of the law is simply fairness and justice. Para lang maintindihan ako, bakit binigay ng Panginoon or bakit in-enforce ng government ang law? Because to my mind, both God and the government would like us to be fair and just to each other. So in other words, the content or the substance of the law is simply fairness and justice. Now, kung ikaw na tao, ang laman ng puso at utak mo, at ang buhay mo, ang buong buhay mo is just regulated by fairness and justice, which is the law. How can you ever forgive someone who had been unfair and unjust to you? Almost impossible. Kasi ang laman ng buhay mo, ang puso at utak mo is just fairness and justice. Itong ifo-forgive mo, naging unfair at naging unjust sa'yo. Di ba? Mahirap mag-forgive. Pero kung babalik ta rin ko ang question mo yan, bakit mas madali para sa ibang taong mag-forgive? The answer would always be because of love. Kung mahal mo ang asawa mo, kung mahal mo ang mga anak mo, kahit naging unfair pa sa'yo, mas madali magpatawad. That's the power of love over the law. Because again, love is the spirit and the foundation of the law. To build a house without a foundation is dangerous.